Hello, hello. Hello everyone, good day. My name is Michelangelo Galasio, and my topic is about learning experience. A learning experience is an action or activity given to a resident who was subjected to haircut or general meeting, who did an infraction to correct or modify a behavior. The learning experience may be task-oriented, written task, or per interaction. Since TCMP is educational rather than punitive in its approach to behavioral change, the learning experience should be done in a way that would remind the person of the negative attitude he has done without compromising his human dignity. The learning experience also should be related to the infraction committed for him to focus on the behavior expected. Expected of the community, and it should not be given as a punishment but rather a motivation so that they develop more positive attitude. Next is examples of learning experience. First is if a resident has been missing out in his responsibilities in the kitchen, he can be assigned as in charge of cleaning the kitchen for a specific period of time. So they all the resident is all of them should have responsibilities. For example, in so in for example in the kitchen, they will the one who will cook, and the other residents who will not assign in the kitchen in cooking, they also be assigned in cleaning the kitchen. So they will given a specific period of time. Next, if a resident repeatedly leaves his bed in disarray, he can be asked to provide orientation and supervision to new residents on how to keep their beds neat at all. So if there are, for example, they will be have a new resident. So in the old resident, they will teach the new resident on how to disarray and then teach them to keep their beds neat at all times so that they will look neat every time, every time and every day. Next, categories of learning experience. First is task-oriented learning experience. First is pots and pans, grounds and landscaping. For example of pots and pans is like plants, ginabutang sa plants, mga pots and pans. Next is grounds and landscaping. They will do grounds and landscaping, cleaning and maintenance. This is the one that they will do every day, cleaning and maintenance. So, and also timekeeping, wake up calls and let out calls. Next, written tasks. First is composition or essay. They will write some essay or composition. Next is reproduction of PCMP materials. Next, per interactions, reading and reporting of topic. Next is announcement, morning meeting or house meetings. They will do this every day for when when the resident conducting some announcement. Next is bans. So the bans are sanctions to members who committed retributive interaction or violations to the cardinal rules by prohibiting, disallowing, or limiting an activity or appreciation to a group. It somehow curtails some freedom of movement and association. These sanctions causes unpleasant feelings which people try to avoid, hence may evoke behavioral charges in the future. It must be applied consistently after the adverse behavior to emphasize the negative consequences. Privilege limited should have impact but not limit individual ability to meet personal hygiene, nutritional, and emotional needs. So a resident subjected to bans must be processed in a general meeting called for the purpose. So the examples of bans is regulating of victim privilege, bans from attending entertainment and recreational activities. So next is general meeting. A repeated breach to the cardinal rules necessitates a general meeting. Such issues should be discussed with the community to point out the violator, the negative effect, the behavior of fellow resident, for example, taking drugs and engaging in physical fight with another resident. Other facilities include stealing or even smoking as part of the cardinal rules. This behavior pose a threat to the community because they violate the established order and safety of the facilities. Next, procedure in a general meeting. First, a general meeting is called and led by a senior member of the staff, usually the director of the facilities. The extent of the problem is assessed to determine who among the community members are involved in the incident. Those guilty of the offense are asked to sit in the prospect chair. This is to assure anxiety and dissonance. Next, the director sets the tone of the meeting and leads the community in an open expression of opinions and feelings regarding the offense brought out into the community. He holds the community accountable for the flip of its members, as each is considered his brother's keeper. The director opens the floor for feedbacks, inviting the community for self-reflection and accountability. The formation of the general meeting is shown, so it's shown in figure 4. So I have some examples of procedure in a general meeting. First is Director, good afternoon, family. We are gathered here this afternoon because two members of our community badly need our help. They engaged in a physical fight. Ask ourselves how we failed them. Why did we miss this brewing hostility between the two of them? Remember, we are their keepers, but we let them down by allowing them to harbor the hatred towards each other without us noticing it or doing something about it. We lack awareness to detect the subtle signs that the incident is coming. Now our brothers are in this predicament because we were remiss in our duties to care for them. I want you account to me what led to this. So that was the examples of procedure in a general meeting. Last is expulsion. In extreme cases, when a resident is incorrigible and becomes a threat to the community, example is instigator, initiator of jail disturbance. The director, with a recommendation of the disciplinary board, may transfer him her to the nearest jail facility with an appropriate court order. So the expulsion in when they have the case who have extremely case. So when doing a case, they are the one become biggest threat to the community, and all the residents will fear of them. So the director recommend them to go to the nearest jail facility with an appropriate court order, and this court order, they will the one will guide them in terms of things. So that's all my report, and thank you and have a good day.